Mr. Sandwich's third grade class is outside at recess. DJ is on the swings next to Darnell.
Hey, psst, Darnell, look at my new comic I wrote at the writing station.
What's it called?
It's called Burger Boy. It's about a boy who gets superpowers after eating a radioactive hamburger. He shoots hamburgers and french fries out of his fists at his arch enemy, Shreya Shrimp.
Quiet! Shreya will hear you. You know how she and the other girls hate it when you use their names in all stories.
What are you guys talking about? I heard you saying my name.
Yeah, I heard it too. What are you hiding behind your back, DJ?
It's nothing.
He has a comic behind his back, Shreya. I saw him talking to Darnell and they were laughing about you.
What's going on? What's the matter, Shreya? DJ and Darnell are making fun of me and it's making me upset.
Is that true?
No, I wasn't making fun of her at all. See, I just wrote her a comic and made up a character named Shreya Shrimp. It's not about Shreya. I just used her name.
But Shreya doesn't like it when you use her name. You know she cried the last time you wrote a song with her name in it.
I used your name, Amy, and you didn't care.
I don't care, but she does. You have to do what she wants. You're bullying her if you use her name in it.
Mr. Sandwich, I think I have a solution for this problem. We could make it illegal for people to use other people's names in stories unless they get permission. So then people like Shreya would be happy and people like Amy could get their names in stories because they don't care.
Yeah, Mr. Sandwich, I think that's a good solution.
Well, I like how you've come up with a solution that would make everybody happy. But it's not that simple to just make something illegal. First, there has to be a law against using certain names in stories.
Well, I like the idea. I say we make it a law. What do we have to do?
Well, remember, Shreya, that cartoon we watched about turning a bill into a law?
I remember. When you have an idea, you ask somebody in the government to type it up or something.
I know. You ask a representative to turn it into a bill.
What's a representative?
A representative is someone in our state government who represents or speaks for regular people like you and me. You could write to our state representative and see if they could make your idea into a bill. If a lot of representatives like the idea, they'll send it to the government. If he likes it, it would be illegal for anybody to use Shreya's name in a story.
Listen to this. I just got an email from a third grade girl in Antioch.
What does it say?
I'll read it to you. Dear representatives, the boys in my class keep using my names in songs and stories, and I don't like it. Sometimes I cry because I'm so upset. Can you pass a law that makes it illegal for people to use your name in a story or a song if you don't want them to? Your friend, Shreya.
Excuse me, I couldn't help overhearing that letter. I think that's a good idea.
I know what this little girl is talking about. When I was in school, people used my name in rhyming poems, and it hurt my feelings. I don't know. Even though it might hurt this little girl's feelings, we have freedom of speech. It's in our state constitution. I believe in freedom of speech, but I think using a little girl's name in a story is wrong. If it hurts her feelings, I think it should be illegal.
The representatives voted in Illinois General Assembly. They voted yes to the bill, but the representatives are only one branch of the state government.
That branch is called the legislative branch. That makes up the bill, but the governor has to sign it to make the bill law.
The governor is the head of the executive branch. He or she signs the bills into laws.
I have this bill on my desk. I wonder if I should pass down to the legislative branch. I wonder if I should sign it. Oh no, poor little girl. I have a daughter in third grade too. I would hate for some boy to write her name in a song. I'm going to pass this bill into the law.
The next day in school, Mr. Sandwich read the news to his students.
Everybody, to the carpet. Listen up. Shreya's bill has been made into a law. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, DJ, but you're going to have to get permission from now on before you use someone's name in your comments.
I can't believe this. Wait until I tell my parents about this.
Your mom's a lawyer. Maybe she can help you.
Later that night, DJ talked to his mom, Mrs. Huxtable. What? I can't believe the governor signed that bill into a law. Hasn't he heard of freedom of speech? It's a good thing there is a third branch of government. Do you want to know what that is, DJ?
Is it the one with the judges?
That's right, son. It's the judicial branch. I'm taking your case to the Illinois Supreme Court. Narrated.
Oh, 1 month later, the Illinois Supreme Court heard DJ's case. Guess who DJ's lawyer was? That's right, it was his mom.
Your Honors, the Illinois Constitution has been violated. It says here in the Bill of Rights that all people may speak, write, and publish freely.
Thank you, Mrs. Huxtable. We will talk it over, and we will definitely let you know our decision.
I agree with Mrs. Huxtable, even though I feel bad for a little girl. DJ does have freedom of speech.
Yes, I feel that freedom of speech is important. The next thing we know, it will be illegal to speak out against things we disagree with.
I'm afraid I have to disagree. I think the little girl should be protected from having her name in a story. I like freedom of speech, but I think there should be some limits.
Well, we'll have to vote for it.
More of the judges said that the new law was unconstitutional. That means that Sharia's new law isn't allowed because the Constitution says that people in Illinois can have free speech.
The next day,
Mr. Sandwich's class heard the news.
Okay, listen up. Do you remember when I told you that Sharia's law has been passed by the legislature and signed by the governor? Well, now that law has been found unconstitutional by the Illinois Supreme Court.
What does that mean?
It means it went against the Constitution, which is the law of Illinois. You can't pass a law if it goes against the Constitution.
But I thought the governor was the boss of Illinois.
No, all 3 branches of government have the same power. No one is more important. Each branch checks up on one another. That is called checks and balances.
But I don't want my name in songs.
Have you tried talking to DJ?
It's okay, Sharia. I know. I see how much it means to you. I won't write your name in songs anymore.
Well, you can if you ask me.
Okay, can I use your Shreya the Shrimp in my comics?
Yes, but she has to be a superhero.
The next day, DJ read his comic to the class. It was all about a burger boy and his sidekick, Shreya the Shrimp, battling their arch enemy who shoots slices of ham and turkey from its mouth.
Evil Dr. Sandwich.